Scientists discover first juvenile Pleurosaurus, solving a 150-million-year mystery. A groundbreaking discovery has emerged in the world of paleontology, as scientists have unveiled the first clearly identified juvenile specimen of the long-extinct genus Pleurosaurus, shedding light on a mystery that has persisted for an astonishing 150 million years. This remarkable finding, detailed in a recent study published in the Anatomical Record, provides invaluable insights into the developmental biology of a marine reptile that roamed the Earth during the Late Jurassic period, specifically in what is now southern Germany. The fossil unearthed from the Mörnsheim Formation near Solnhofen fills a significant gap in our understanding of rhynchocephalian development, challenging existing classifications and enriching our knowledge of ancient marine ecosystems. A key player in late Jurassic marine life, Pleurosaurus has long been a focal point in the study of marine reptiles from the late Jurassic era. This genus is characterized by its elongated body and specialized adaptations for life in water, placing it within the rhynchocephalians, a group closely related to the modern tuatara. These fascinating reptiles thrived in the marine environments that now comprise parts of France and Germany, particularly in regions like Canjures, Serine, and the Solnhofen archipelago. Dr. Victor Beccari, a paleontologist associated with the SNSB Bayerische Staatssammlung für Paläontologie and Geology and Ludwig Maximilians University, notes, the genus Pleurosaurus is the most abundant rhynchocephalian, found in the late Jurassic deposits of Canjures and Serine, France, as well as the Solnhofen archipelago in Germany. This genus is defined by several distinctive anatomical features, including a long, triangular skull, a recurved premaxilla, the absence of a postfrontal bone, a low anterior flange on the teeth, and reduced forelimbs. Currently, paleontologists recognize two species within this genus, Pleurosaurus goldfussii and Pleurosaurus ginsbergi. The differentiation between these species is based on variations in the number of presacral vertebrae, 50 for P. goldfussii and 57 for P. ginsbergi, as well as differences in skull and limb bone proportions and pelvic development, with P. goldfussii exhibiting a more robust dorsal process of the ilium, filling a crucial developmental void. Despite the abundance of Pleurosaurus fossils, one critical piece of the puzzle had been missing: a juvenile specimen. Dr. Beccari and his colleagues pointed out, although extensive research has been conducted on Pleurosaurus, with over 15 published specimens, no unequivocal juvenile specimen of this taxon has been documented until now. This gap was finally addressed with the discovery of a new fossil in Bavaria's Mörnsheim Formation. The specimen, classified as Pleurosaurus cf. P. ginsbergi, exhibits unmistakable characteristics of a young post-hatchling animal. The paleontologists remarked, this fossil is particularly intriguing because it clearly displays features typical of a juvenile. Its teeth are small and show no signs of wear. The bones are not fully developed, and the vertebrae are still in the process of forming. These indicators strongly support the classification of this specimen as a juvenile, significantly enhancing our understanding of the growth and maturation of these ancient reptiles. The team emphasized its small size, along with other features, makes it the first clearly identified juvenile Pleurosaurus specimen, filling an important gap in our understanding of the growth and development of these extinct reptiles. Rethinking Acrosaurus classification. The implications of this fossil discovery extend beyond developmental biology. They also challenge existing taxonomic classifications. For years, paleontologists have debated the status of Acrosaurus, a genus known only from juvenile-like remains. The researchers explained, in the past, some paleontologists proposed that Acrosaurus might represent a juvenile Pleurosaurus, but until now, there was no solid evidence to support this hypothesis. The juvenile Pleurosaurus from Mörnsheim exhibits striking anatomical similarities to fossils previously attributed to Acrosaurus. These resemblances now raise the possibility that Acrosaurus may not be a distinct genus, but rather an early growth stage of Pleurosaurus. The researchers noted, the new fossil shows many similarities to those previously assigned to Acrosaurus, suggesting that the latter may not be a separate genus, but simply a hatchling of Pleurosaurus. This finding is significant because it underscores the importance of considering ontogeny, the process of development from juvenile to adult, when classifying prehistoric animals. Misinterpreting juvenile features as taxonomic distinctions can lead to inflated diversity estimates and misguide evolutionary models. The importance of exceptional fossil preservation. Discoveries like this are rare, not because juvenile Pleurosaurus were uncommon, but due to their delicate, incompletely ossified skeletons being underrepresented in the fossil record. Dr. Andrea Via from the Institut Català de Paleontologia, Miquel Crucifont, remarked, "For years, we have sought to understand how these animals grew and developed, but we had never encountered such a young and well-preserved specimen. The exceptional preservation of this fossil, likely aided by the anoxic lagoon conditions of the Solnhofen region, allows scientists to explore the earliest life stages of an animal that has long been viewed solely through the lens of adult characteristics. Techniques such as UV light imaging and detailed anatomical comparisons have revealed features that were previously obscured or unknown. This specimen serves as a vital link between fossilized remains and the broader narrative of evolution. It not only reaffirms existing knowledge about Pleurosaurus, but also expands it in a direction that has been sorely lacking in the fossil record. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this new understanding of juvenile Pleurosaurus lead to a complete reevaluation of other marine reptiles? What do you think? Are we on the brink of a major shift in how we classify these ancient creatures? Share your thoughts in the comments.